Okay, we are all packed up and ready to go to Georgia. Now, our first leg of the trip, this is a travel part of the trip. We will be going to, I think, Statesville, something like that, North Carolina. You'll find out by the end of the video. But we are excited. The car is packed up, ready to go, and we are on our way. So come along with me to our first day trip to Georgia. After about 4 hours of driving, stop off for some lunch. At Old Bob's Barbecue and Catering for supper. Here's where we're staying the night on our first leg of our trip. And it's in Statesville, North Carolina. As we enter the room, we see we got 2 queen-size beds. We got a clock radio, plenty of pillows. Looks nice and comfy. We got a microwave, refrigerator, TV, a mirror. And over here we got a closet that has an ironing board and iron. You know, the regular closet stuff with the hangers.
Hi, we're in our hotel room at North Carolina.
In the bathroom, the regular old bathroom stuff. Looked very clean. And here we are checking out the route for tomorrow. Well, thank you for coming along with us on our first day trip down to Georgia. It's been a very exhausting day of travel, and I am about ready to go to bed. So I hope you come along with us tomorrow for our second leg of our trip down to Georgia. And until then, have a great day. I'm going to bed.